Greetings, YouTube. SilverTopFlyer coming at you from the North Georgia mountains. How y'all doing today? Yes, I'm still on it. I'm still on you, Hubsan. I ain't letting go of it. There you see the controller and the bird that refused to fly. I'm thinking about ripping her little guts out and taking her barometer off. What I need to know is, do you think it would help? Do you think it would help at all if I was to take her barometer out? Do you think she would fly? Or do you think she would just nose into the ground and be done with? I have no idea. As you can see, the controller is in perfect condition. There's nothing wrong with it. Binds right up with the bird every time. Every time. Cranks up every time. Well, most of the time. I don't know. I don't get it, folks. She will not fly. I'm never going to try to fly her today. Sorry, guys. Not in the mood. If anybody can tell me what's going on with her, what's going to happen when I take this barometer out of her? Any ideas? Someone let me know. SilverTopFlyer signing out.